Did you know one dinner party was so horrifying it stopped an entire invasion? In 1459, Vlad III of Wallachia had a problem. Ottoman diplomats were coming to discuss terms, and he needed to send a message. So he threw them a dinner party they'd never forget. When the Ottoman ambassador arrived, he found a banquet table set in an open field, but surrounding them in perfect circles were 20,000 impaled Turkish prisoners from Vlad's recent campaign. The corpses were still moving on their stakes. As the horrified diplomat stared in shock, Vlad calmly cut his meat and began eating. He explained this was simply his usual dinner entertainment, nothing out of the ordinary. The ambassador could barely speak as he watched the writhing bodies while Vlad casually discussed diplomatic terms between bites. Word of this twisted feast reached Sultan Mehmed II, who immediately called off his planned invasion. The man who had conquered Constantinople declared Vlad too cruel even for Ottoman standards. Sometimes the most effective weapon isn't a sword, it's pure psychological terror.